Welcome. If you use Telegram Web on your PC and want to keep your chat folders tidy, this guide will show you how to remove excluded chats from a folder after the latest update. Whether you accidentally excluded a chat or just want to reorganize, these steps will help you get your folders looking exactly how you want. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top of the chat list for the folder you want to edit. Right-click directly on the folder's name. This will open up a menu with several options. From the menu, choose Edit Folder. This will bring up the folder's settings, where you can see which chats are included and which are excluded. To adjust the exclusions, click on Add Excluded Chats. Here, you'll see a list of chats currently marked as excluded from this folder. Now, simply scroll through the list and uncheck the chats you want to remove from the exclusion list. Unchecking a chat means it will no longer be excluded, and it can show up in the folder again if it matches the folder's criteria. Once you've unchecked the chats you want to include, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial. If you don't hit Save, your changes won't be applied. After saving, your folder will update, and the previously excluded chats will be managed according to your new settings. That's it. With these simple steps, you can quickly remove excluded chats from any folder on Telegram Web, making it easier to keep your conversations organized and accessible. If you ever want to adjust your folders again, just repeat these steps. Keeping your Telegram organized has never been easier, especially with the improvements in the latest update. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined Telegram experience.